the top 5 best property management software list with detailed explanations, use cases, pricing insights, pros and cons, and unique features to help you make the best choice. Number 5, we have here the TenantCloud. This one is best for independent landlords and small property managers. TenantCloud is a great entry-level solution that offers robust property management features for free or at a low cost. It's ideal for do-it-yourself landlords managing between 1 and 100 rental units. The platform provides all the essential tools needed to manage tenants, collect rent, and oversee maintenance tasks. What are the key features? Rent collection via ACH, credit or debit card, online lease templates and e-signatures, maintenance request tracking with photo uploads, tenant screening, credit or criminal background, marketing syndication to Zillow, Trulia, Apartments.com. Pricing. If you avail the free plan, then you will have limited features. Starter plan around $16 per month. Growth plan around $32 to $50 per month. Add-ons for CRM, tax reporting, or premium integrations. Let's move on to pros. Free to get started. Simple interface for beginners. Includes cloud-based document storage. For cons, limited customization. Not ideal for large-scale or commercial portfolios. Use case example, perfect for a landlord managing 3 to 5 units who need simple rent collection and maintenance tracking with little overhead. Now let's move on to DoorLoop for number 4. This one is best for growing property management companies and startups. Well, DoorLoop is a relatively new yet highly polished property management software with a modern UI and a strong focus on speed, automation, and ease of use. It suits property managers looking to scale operations while keeping things organized and efficient. What are the key features? One-click rent collection and payment reminders, lease management with document storage, maintenance tracking with vendor assignment, owner and tenant portals, integrated accounting with QuickBooks Sync. Now talking about pricing, it starts at $69 per month. Scales with unit volume, custom pricing available for larger portfolios. Pros: beautiful and intuitive dashboard, fast onboarding and customer support, secure cloud-based system. And about the cons, lacks built-in AI or advanced reporting, newer to the market, still evolving features. Ideal for a small firm managing 50 plus units that wants professional features with less complexity. Number 3, Innago. Best for cost-conscious landlords and smaller portfolios. Innago is a 100% free platform for landlords and property managers, and it earns revenue by charging tenants for payment processing and screening, not the property owner. Despite being free, it offers many professional-grade features, making it a fan favorite among smaller operations. Now, what are the key features? Online applications and leases, e-signatures and secure document storage, rent collection and payment tracking, late fee automation, tenant screening with full reports. Pricing: completely free for landlords. Tenants pay $2 for ACH or 2.75% for credit payments. Screening fees passed to applicants. Now, what are the pros? Totally free to use, easy interface, quick setup, great customer support and community. For easy interface, this one is really good if landlords are kind of old people. Cons: not ideal for large-scale portfolios, okay? It has limitation. Fewer integrations with external accounting tools. Perfect for an individual who owns 2 duplexes and wants to handle applications, rent, and leases without paying for software. Now let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Buildium. This one is best for mid-size and larger residential property managers or HOAs. Buildium is a professional-grade software with tools for accounting, leasing, tenant relations, and even community associations. It's trusted by thousands of mid to large property managers handling everything from single family homes to multi unit complexes. Now, what are the key features? Double entry accounting with bank reconciliation, owner portals and reporting tools, maintenance and request vendor tracking, online applications and tenant screening, built-in 1099 e-filing and tax prep. For pricing starts at this amount for basic plans up to 20 units, premium plans with additional features, add-ons for e-payments, inspections, and more. Now let's go to pros. Industry trusted for serious property management, robust reporting and accounting tools, strong support for HOAs and community associations. Now let's go to cons. Learning curve for beginners, can get pricey with add-ons and higher unit counts. And then this one is indeed best for property management, company handling 150 plus units, needing advanced financials, communication tools, and tax features. And for our number one spot, AppFolio Property Manager. This one is best for large portfolios, mixed-use properties, and enterprise-level needs. AppFolio is the most advanced and scalable property management solution available today. It supports residential, commercial, student housing, and community associations. With powerful AI tools and automation features, it's built efficiency at scale. Now, what are the key features? AI Leasing Assistant, which is Lease, handles lead follow-ups, mobile inspections and maintenance tracking, integrated accounting with custom reporting, online payments applications and renewals, real-time dashboards for owners and tenants. Pricing, you can ask them directly about the pricing. Minimum monthly fees apply, add-ons for utility, billing screening, and premium support. Now, what are the pros? Powerful automation and customization, best-in-class mobile experience, scales well from 100 units to thousands, and the cons, high minimum monthly cost, requires a demo or sales call to start. This one is ideal for a property management firm overseeing 500 plus units or mixed portfolios, including residential and commercial assets. So I really hope that through this tutorial, it can help you think which one is the best property management software for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.